fireworks sizes vary, marked by their number. Numbers 3 and 4 are the most common in the cities because of the tall buildings and dense population. But when you have more space, you can get to the Shakudama, which is number 10 and much larger. Then it goes into crazy mode. The Yon Shakudama, invented here in Katakai, is 4 times bigger than that. And that's what we'll see tonight. It's fired from a cannon buried in the ground that's this big. Let's look at Japan's fireworks town of Katakai in Niigata. First, you can see in Tokyo how dense the buildings and population is. Such a crazy idea for supersized fireworks is impossible here. There's no space large enough. But if you cruise on over to Niigata Prefecture on the Sea of Japan side, down there, you'll see the Katakai town is perfect for this kind of insanity. The town is small,